Hello, this is Dr. Ahmad Ali, and today we are going to demonstrate and practice on join operator in the relational database management system. We have talked about about them in detail with the help of examples. You can watch that tutorial. Join has inner and outer join. Inner join works on the base of matching records, and outer join works on the basis of matching plus non-matching records. Both are retrieved. Uh, Inner join has theta, and natural join types as the subtypes, and outer join has left outer and full outer join as the its subtypes. These could be implemented in MySQL and MS Access. So as MS Access is a little bit easier, so we are starting from its implementation here so that you quickly see how these join work. Then we can check it in MySQL. So this is my database that I have created in MS Access, and this database, if I show it to you, I have the department has many students, and each student has many courses, and I am going to create the uh, Energine first. So Energine has three types: theta, and natural join. So I will go and start with the query design, and I am going to join two tables from my database, that is department and the students. And Equi-Join means that the join will retrieve data from the department and student tables based on these variables, the primary key and foreign key. When they are matched, so those record will be retrieved. So this is called Equi-Join. And for example, I have to retrieve data from this table, department table and the student tables. So Equi-Join, when you double click on this relationship line, you can see three options over here. The first option tells you about the Equi-Join. Equi-Join means that table data from both the table will be retrieved, which qualify this equal operator. When equal operator is used between them, now this is the query is designed, and when I run it, you can see that the data from both the table has been retrieved, and this retrieval is based on this department department ID and student department ID. We can see that department 1, department 2, department 1, then and at the last department 3. They are matched, and the match data is retrieved. So this is Equi-Join. In Equi-Join, the equal operator is used. How I can check it that a weak equal operator is used or not? I will right click and let me first save this, and this is inner join with the equi operator. Inner join and its type Equi-Join. And when I will right click and check its SQL view, I can see the SQL script for this one, and if I zoom it, you can see here that it selects data. This is the inner join is used. Inner join between the table department and table student, where the joining is based on this same attribute, department ID from the department table and department ID from the student table, and the operator used as equal operator. So when this equal operator is used for joining between two tables, then this kind of join is called Equi-Join. Now let's move and check the theta join. Theta join tells us that this equal, the operator other than this equal should be used, greater than, smaller than, or any other operator. So how I could do that? I will create a new join, for example, query, and in the query again I will add this department and student, and will add this data here as the previous one, and when I will double click it, the first option shows us the inner join equal operator. But equal operator cannot be implemented properly in its visual form. So how I could implement it here, when I will check its SQL view. So in the SQL view, we see that this is the same as Equi-Join, but Theta Join tell us that operator other than this equal will be used. Let me use greater than, where the department ID is greater than student the department ID, and when I will run this one, then you can see that this ID should be greater than, all those records should be retrieved where this ID should be greater than this ID. So you can match against each. D1 is greater than D1, D2 is greater than D1, and if I check here, for example, D5 is greater than D1. And if I want to change this into, for example, less than, and then run it, we can see that this ID is less than this ID. So this is how Equi and Theta Join works. Let me save this query as this is inner join with the name Theta. Type of the inner join with Theta. And the third one is the natural join. But in case of natural join, and natural join is similar to Equi-Join from the output perspective, that Equi-Join, and this is inner join with equal operator, and natural join will produce the same kind of data, but the difference will be that here we can see the department ID and this department ID and student department ID, they are repeated, and natural join this will not be repeated. So in MS Access we cannot directly implement it, but we can manually do it. And how we could do it? For example, I'm going to create again the query, and in this I'm going to query design. In the query design I am adding the same to field department and students, but here in this case I will be adding these attributes manually rather than using the all attribute, and will exclude this repeating column. And when I will run it, now we can see that the department ID attribute is retrieved only once, not twice. So this is the natural join output in MS Access, and in MySQL we will be using the operator natural join is the specific operator. We will see it there. I'm going to save it. This is inner with natural join. So this is how inner join, 3 types of inner join works. Now let's go and demonstrate the outer join. In case of outer join, I'm going to create again the same. I'm going to join the department and students table, and I'm going to use the left outer join first. So how I could do it? In case of left outer join, for example, I'm adding all these attributes from this table and all attributes from this table, and I will double click on this relationship line. When I click on the relationship line, I will have to choose the second option, and this option tell us that this department table is my left table and student is my right table. So it will retrieve in left outer join all record from the left side and only matching from the right will be retrieved. We have already discussed them. So now when I will execute this query, you can see that all records from the left side but only the matching from the right table has been retrieved. In the other places where no matching is found, that is null value is retrieved. So this is a left outer join. Let me save it. This is outer, and in outer it is left outer join. I'm going to save it, and if I want to see its SQL view, its code, so in the SQL view, its code is like, let me zoom it. So here department left join students were based on this common attribute, primary key and foreign key attribute. And now let's go and create the right outer join. In case of right outer join, again I am going to create the query, and in the query again I am going to add the department table and the student table, and this time I am going to demonstrate the right outer join. In case of right outer join, when I will double click on this line, I will have to choose the third option. In the case of the third option, it tells us in this case department is my left table and student is my right table. So in right outer join, all records from the right table, mean the student table, will be retrieved, and only matching from the department table from the left side will be retrieved. So now let's see that how it could work. So all from the student side. So let me add this one. Okay, this may let me add this column and then this one. So all from the right side and only matching from the left side will be shown to us. So now we can see that all from the right side, this is the right side table, and only matching from the left side, which are only these rows, they have been retrieved. And these places, they have no value, so they will be they have been returned with the null value. So this is the right outer join. Let me save it. This is outer and right outer. And now let's demonstrate full outer join. So in the case of MS Access, full outer join has no direct implementation. We have, it is the union of left outer join and right outer join. So how I could do it? Let me create a new query, and in this new query I am going to add again. I'm opening this query in SQL view rather than, because union cannot be done in a visual form. So I will take the union of left outer join and right outer join. So left outer join that I have created is this one. I will open it in SQL view, will copy it and will paste its script here, union right outer join. So I will right click and copy its SQL script and will paste it here. Now this will give me the full outer join, that is all the records from the left outer join union right outer join. So on the left and right side of the output, if there is any value missing value, that will be represented as a union. Now let's save it outer, and it is full. Let me save it and then run it. Now you can see that from the right side, for these two values left are missing, so they are null. And from the left outer join, from the right side, these values are missing, and they are represented as null, while in these middle rows they are common in both, and they are shown here. So this is how inner and outer join works. In the next tutorial, we will be representing the same. We will be implementing and demonstrating the same in MySQL. So you should wait for that one. Okay, thank you.